Does he have it? Does Axel have the bone? What are you going to do about it, Molly? I see the bone. Axel's got it. What do we say? Really? Oh, and then we go sit sadly? Maybe not. What's wrong? Really? What's the matter? Is there a problem? Wow. He's still got it. Molly. I don't think it's working. Why don't you try something else? Can you try something else? He's not giving it to you. Oh. He's still got it, doesn't he? Really? Axel, do you just have that bone? Are you naughty? Are you mean to her? Or was it your bone to begin with? He says it's his bone. What are you going to do? Oh. I see. Time to go, Mom. I've had it with this.